In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to train AI agents in Relevance AI. This is an exciting venture, opening up numerous possibilities for integrating intelligent systems into business operations. Let's get started by visiting the Relevance AI website, where you can build your AI workforce specifically designed for business purposes. Once on the home page, locate and click on the Login button. You'll need to enter your email address in the provided field. After doing so, hit the Continue button to proceed. Up next, type in your password securely. Remember, keeping your login credentials safe is crucial. Click Continue once more to move forward into the system. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, the hub of your activities where you can manage many of your tasks. Navigate to the section labeled Agents on the Relevance AI platform. Here, you can select an existing agent or opt to create a new one based on your business needs and goals. To start training your agent, you'll need to go into the training settings. Look for the button labeled Test Agent and click it. This will bring you to a new view where you can start configuring various aspects of your agent's setup. Click on Advanced to dive deeper into customizing the training specifics. The next step involves setting up the language model, which is crucial for the AI to understand and process language in the way you need it to. After setting this up, switch to the Task View option and then proceed to the Knowledge tab. This section is where you define the learning settings and knowledge sources of your AI agent. One of the most significant parts of training your AI agent is uploading relevant training data. Head to the Data Manager. Here, you can upload various datasets such as job descriptions, FAQs, customer interactions, or CSV files. Setting up diverse data inputs can enhance the agent's ability to perform various tasks accurately. Next, define training prompts in the Prompts/Workflow section. This is where you determine the structure and style of the responses you want the AI to provide. Setting clear and structured prompts will guide your AI in producing the most relevant and helpful outputs. Once everything is set, it's time to run a training session. Click on Run Agent and start testing queries with the data you've provided. This will help in refining and improving performance before going live. After testing and tweaking the system, it's important to fine-tune your AI's responses. You can adjust the tone, context, and logic rules. This ensures the answers align with your expectations and business requirements. Finally, when you're satisfied with the outcomes, save your configurations and click Deploy to update your newly trained agent for live usage. This action brings your AI agent into operational mode, ready to assist in apps or integrations and elevate your business tasks efficiently.